anything. I just have to put my mind to it.
Nice. All right, Simon.
In a game.
Wow, you're so whack.
So cool.
Boo!
Simon sucks. Boo! Simon died.
Come on, Simon.
Okay, I got it. My name is Simon. All the girls like me. No, I get all the girls. No, he don't. I smacked my brother in the face. No, he don't. I'm the strongest. No, he's not. I punched my brothers in the head. No, he doesn't. Make them knock out.
No, stop being so violent and stuff.
I am violent, Mom. You see these, Mom? Simon, it's like this. I eat a lot of cheeseburgers. That's you. No, I got it.
But
Okay. My name is Simon. I do good in school. I praise the Lord. And when people ask me how I do it, I say.
You were gonna copy the song. You were gonna copy the song, Tito. You were gonna totally copy the song. Oh, that's too funny.
I was like, God told me.
Yeah, or you say God taught me. That's funny. That is too funny.
Mom, you make a rap thing. Wait, no, I got one. I have a little brother. He cries every day. His name is Danny, but his nickname is Puka. And he thinks he's Boka. But he's so weak. He thinks he's your stuff. Just like a mom. But we smack him with the pillow, and he just cries. And then we got my mom over here.
Oh, dang, I got confidence.
Mom, spit your rap.
Spit my rap. Alright, let's see. What should I rap about?
Rap about anything. How you suck. Yeah, rap about that. I don't think she can even rap.
My kids say I suck, but they smell like skunks. What the heck? Get out of my truck. Boom. Anyways, we are on the way to my sister's house. I bought him a little outfit. It's so cute. So I have to go take it to him because I doesn't miss that little chubby butt.
Kill me! Mom,
Yeah,
can you just leave me
I'll
right
be having
there?
baby fever so bad.
Mom, can we leave you up?
I'll leave it right there. That's like
No,
a
not
bum.
at the street.
Like a bum right here on the corner.
Yeah.
All alone.
And they come pick us up in a little bit.
No, I wouldn't come pick it up. Like, deuces, find your way home.
Yeah, I see you.
I love the dogs.
I'm Dominic. It's right.
Edie.
That's easier.
Hi.
Is your friend's name? Yeah, it's two different ways to say it. Dominique and Dominic.
Shabby.
Hi, Dominic.
This is why you can't eat and drive. Like, every time.